Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be designing the Arduino Uno PCB board. And to start with, we have to install the KiCad software, which is on our screen. So let's open it. Let's open our schematic. Okay, so we have opened our schematic. This is where we draw our circuit diagrams. And here, for beginners, we are going to learn how to select components, wire them, and other features as well, like notation. So to select a component, we click on A on our keyboard. A pop-up menu will come. So for instance, let's take the component capacitor. Okay, capacitor. So this is a capacitor. Let's take another component. Let's see the resistor. So click on A, type in resistor. So we have a resistor here. Okay, so our resistor is here, right? Now, for the wiring, we go for the shortcut W on the keyboard. So we click on W, you can see our wiring done here. Up next, we have to do a rotation. If you don't want it in the vertical, you can go with the horizontal. So we click on R on our keyboard. It has been rotated. Okay, so now we've learned how to select components on the schematic and how to wire them as well. Now we are moving forward to our Arduino Uno board. This is our schematic for the Arduino Uno. Okay, so this is Arduino Uno. You can see all the components, all the wiring done. You can see all the components and wiring done. This is Arduino at Mega for Arduino. See our resistors, our capacitors all connected. So for our PCB, we need to assign footprints for each and every component found on the schematic. So for instance, the capacitor here, a footprint will be assigned. So here you can see our footprint assigned for the capacitor. Okay, now we have to group them and assign their footprints. Okay, so here you can see all the assigned footprints here for each and every component. Some of the components are automatically assigned, but the others you have to manually assign their footprints for them. Okay, so now we go to apply, save schematic and continue. Then we click on OK. So now we have assigned the footprint for our Arduino Uno. Let's check for our errors. Run ELC. So we are running and we can see some errors here. Okay. Mostly these errors can be corrected. So here you can see an error here. It's supposed to show your wiring done, right? So we connect it back for our errors to be done. Next, we annotate our schematic. So by using this icon, annotate, save, and save. Yes, so it's done. We have we have annotated our schematic for our Arduino Uno. Now we have to generate the bill of materials for the components. You export, okay, apply save schematic and continue. Then click on OK. Now I think we are good to go. We switch to our PCB editor. And we can see our PCB Arduino Uno. So here we have our PCB Arduino Uno. So when the components appear on your PCB, when your components appear on your PCB, they will be misarranged. So you have to arrange them for your wiring to be done. Now, without your footprint, your PCB will be blank. Take note, without your footprint, your PCB will be blank. So now, so when our PCB appears, we have to go and update our PCB from the schematic with the shortcut F8, or we can go to this tool here, update PCB, update the PCB. So we have updated our PCB, we have to save it. So save and save. So now we have saved our updates. Now to draw our wires, we go here, route single track. So this is for our wiring. As you can see here, let's do our wiring. So let's do our wiring from here. You can see our wiring done. Our wiring from this point to this point, okay. And our last wiring, you can see the wires. Okay. Okay, so we are done with our wiring here. You can see that the red wires not overlapping the blue wires. For correct wiring, the red wires do not overlap the blue wires. So you can see them here. Okay, now let's move this to 3D to view it. Okay, so this is our 3D. These are 3D schematic here. These are 3D layouts for our Arduino Uno. So you can see the pins, the Atmega, our power jack here, our switch, our Atmega, and all the connecting pins here, our resistors, our diodes are all here. Okay, so here we've learned how to select components, how to do our wiring, how to rotate them, uh, how to connect each and every component on our PCB. Here we've seen how our wiring are done from arranged components on our PCB layout board and transferred to 3D for correct arrangement. You can see all our components on the layout here. Our schematic here also. We've learned how to assign the footprint for our schematics. And with this, we can save our work. Okay, and I think we are done here. Please help like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more episodes. Thank you.